How to check liked comments on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on any post you want to check comments of. You'll find comment option at the bottom beside hearts. Simply click on comment option and you'll find all your comments pop up. You'll find the likes, and if you simply tap once, you will only be able to like the comment. What you need to do is hold on to the heart, which is the like comment option. After you hold it, you will find all the likes of comments. This is kind of tricky, but you just need to hold on to the comment like and you will be able to check who liked the comments. This is how to check liked comments on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.